So right now me in Brooklyn. I came here to come do some business. I drive everywhere, so I've been exploring more, you know. So I'm on Atlantic Avenue and Barclays something shop. I don't know. What's you guys? Alright. So I found where I go. So Bay Ridge, Coney Island. I'm not sure. I'm gonna lie. Brooklyn look a little bit cleaner. I don't know if I can take the end. There's no maps because they replaced this shit with fucking ads and shit. It's not showing up the train looking like. So apparently the MTA bought new trains. So I can't wait to see what these. Well, I already seen them. They on the fucking news. They gonna put them in the White Bay area first. Y'all know how that go.